it's Miss Edwards.
And Mr. Brinkman.
We want to talk to you a little bit today about habit 5, which is seeking first to understand before being understood.
You know what? Habit 5 just seems a lot like listening.
It is like listening in a very simple, basic sense. We want to challenge you guys actually to when you start to feel that feeling in your stomach where you're getting really upset at another person because of something that they're saying, we want you to just pause and listen.
A lot of times in a conversation, you'll want to immediately respond or immediately think you know what the person is saying. Take a step back, be patient, and listen fully before something comes out of your mouth.
Yeah, Pirates. So if you can comment on the section below, let us know sometime when you have listened to understand.
Have a great day, Pirates.
Bye.